Welcome to the Magic Snowball, a beginner's guide to compound interest. We will show you how to make your money work for you and avoid letting it work against you. If you save money without earning interest, inflation slowly steals its buying power. This wealth erosion means your money needs to actively grow just to maintain its value. Simple interest pays you only on your original money, making it stack linearly. Compound interest, however, pays interest on your original money, plus the interest you've already earned. It multiplies your wealth. Compound interest is calculated using three main ingredients: the principal or initial deposit, the interest rate, the annual percentage your money earns, and the compounding period, which is how often the bank pays you interest. The rule of 72 tells you approximately when your money will double. By dividing 72 by your annual rate of return, you get the number of years it will take for your money to double. Let's compare the early bird who saves a little early and the catch-up kid who saves a lot later. Both earn the same 4% interest rate. Who has more money at age 65? The early bird contributed less money, but started 30 years earlier, walking away with more wealth. The lesson is that starting early pays off massively down the road, far more than saving higher amounts later in life. How often your money compounds changes the final payout. More compounding periods create more interest. Look for daily or monthly schedules to maximize growth. Compounding is a mathematical law that works for or against you. It works for you with investments and savings. It works against you with high-interest debt, accelerating your debt growth. Credit card interest is often compounded daily. Paying only the minimum payment adds accumulated interest to your principal balance. This creates an endless debt cycle where you pay interest on interest. You can start the compounding process with high-yield savings accounts, dividend reinvestment plans, and zero-coupon bonds. These are places where you can plant your seeds for growth. You don't need a math degree to calculate your future wealth. You can multiply your balance by 1 plus your rate, or use free, trusted online calculators to model your deposits. Here are 3 steps to put the math to work for you today. First, stop the bleeding by paying more than the minimum on high-interest debt. Second, start the clock by opening a high-yield account today. And third, automate it by setting up automatic monthly deposits. Compound interest is often called the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands compound interest earns it, he who doesn't pays it. Take advantage of the time value of money.